So, good morning to all. In our previous class, we discussed the concept called as cost sheet. Clear. We clearly discussed regarding how to draft cost sheet. What is a format? Okay. And we discussed in the previous class itself important point relating to cost sheet. In important points, we discussed number one, direct material. Direct material means direct material consumed. How to calculate direct material consumed? Opening stock of raw material plus purchases net plus direct expenses in relation to purchases minus salvage value of normal loss minus closing stock of raw material. If you solve this equation, you will get direct material consumption. Second line of cost sheet, direct labor. Direct labor is equal to paid plus outstanding minus prepaid is called direct labor. Is it clear? Yes. Next, sir. Direct expense. What is meant by direct expense? Direct expense means a direct expense other than direct material, other than direct labor. Who told this definition? CAS 10 told. Is it clear? Yes. Overhead means an aggregate of indirect raw material, indirect labor, indirect expense is called overhead. Generally, overheads can be classified into two types, based on function, based on variability. And one more important point relating to cost sheet we discussed in the earlier class. What? Valuation of closing stock. Check whether question paper specified units of closing stock. Question mark. Answer yes, answer no. If it is no, valuation of closing stock or value of closing stock is equal to same as question paper. If it is yes, as per GSCAP, value of closing stock is based on COGP. Therefore, production units hyphen COGP rupees, closing stock units hyphen question mark. What is the formula behind? Therefore, closing stock rupees is equal to closing stock units divided by production units into COGP rupees. Whatever discussed till now, just briefly we revised. Clear. And few problems relating to cost sheet we did in the previous class itself. I hope up to question number 3 we did. Question number 4 we gave as a homework. Clear? Now we will focus on question number 4. I assume you did the homework and you will compare your solution. Is it wrong or wrong? Correct. If it is correct, well and good. If it is wrong, please observe where you went into wrong by the solution. Clear? Is it clear? Question number 4. The following data are available from the books and records of V Limited for the month of November 2017. Direct labor, how much they gave? 20,000. How 20,000 arrived? Factory cost is there. Into 125% I make it as 20,000. Please listen carefully, my dear. Direct labor 20,000, how you got? Factory cost is there. How much? We don't know. We don't know. Factory cost is there. We don't know. Into, come on, 125% if I applied, I got 20,000. 20,000. Next month. Next, inventory account shown the following figures. Particulars November 1st, 30th November. November 1st means opening. November 30 means closing. Opening stock of raw material 10,000. Closing stock of raw material 20,000. Opening stock of WIP 8,000. Closing stock of WIP 4,000. Opening stock of finished good 10,000. Closing stock of finished good 5,000. Selling expense 15,000 is given. Office expense 10,000 is given. Sales is equal to 1,25,000. Company maintain a profit. Company what ma? Maintain. What ma? Profit. Correct? Company maintain profit. How much? 25% on cost. 25% on cost. They are asking, you are required to prepare what ma? Come on. You are required to prepare what ma? Cost sheet for the month of November 2017 with, underline the word, all elements. They are asking with all elements, they are asking. So now tell me, with the help of the given data, what you required to prepare? What you required to prepare? Cost sheet you required to prepare. Correct? Correct, my dear friend? Then we will solve the question. Question number Question number 4, page number, my dear friend, page number 5. Correct? Listen. Cost sheet for which year? Cost sheet for November 2017. They clearly mentioned month. They are not mentioned month, only year, means we will write only year. Is it clear, my dear? Yes. Listen, ma. I gave homework. I hope you did. Just observe the answer and we will compare our answer and along with your homework assignment answer. If it is correct, well and good. Otherwise, if anything goes into wrong, I will give time to copy. Correct? Now tell me, what is the format? Direct material, direct labor, direct expense. Result shall be referred as prime cost. Correct, my dear friend? Come on. Plus P, F, M, W, OH. Result shall be referred as factory cost gross plus opening stock of work in progress, closing stock of work in progress. Result shall be referred as factory cost net plus AOH. Result shall be referred as COGP plus opening stock of finished good minus closing stock of finished good. Result shall be referred as cost of goods sold plus SOH. Result shall be referred as cost of sales. We can say it as total cost plus profit. If loss I got, I will subtract. Okay. Result value will be referred as sales. Is it clear, my dear? Yes. Now, working note number 1. Listen, ma. Working note number 1. Correct? Calculation of direct material. As per GAAP, direct material means direct material consumed. Direct material consumed. Correct? Hello? Direct material consumed is equal to opening stock of raw material plus purchases in bracket net plus direct expense in relation to production or in relation to purchase of raw material. Purchase of raw material minus salvage value of normal loss minus closing stock of raw material. Is it correct? Please check. Opening stock of raw material is there. Is there? Yes. How much? 10,000. Closing stock of raw material is there. Yes. How much? So opening stock of raw material 10,000 plus purchases we don't know plus direct expense is not given minus salvage value not given, means 0 minus closing stock 20,000. Purchases, please check. Purchase of raw material, how much they gave? That doesn't give any info relating to purchases. Listen carefully, ma. Listen, ma. Please listen, ma. A is equal to B plus C minus D minus K. Otherwise, A is equal to B plus C plus D minus K. Just assume. Hello? A value 4, C value 7, D value 8, D value how much ma? 8. Correcta? A value 27 they gave. K value can you find? Is it possible to find out K value? Possible or not possible? Possible or not possible? Possible. Why? This value will convert or transfer from this side to this side. Correct? Then K value we can write 27 minus 4 minus 7 plus 8. I hope you know the mathematical equations. Correct. Otherwise just wait. B value 4, 7. No. Here also 27 minus 4 minus 7 minus 8. Minus only. B value is transferred minus. C value is transferred minus. D value plus value minus. Minus? No. K value is transferred na. Okay, anyway, no need to worry about the value. K value can find out, cannot find out. Same equation I will give. Listen ma. A is equal to B plus C plus D minus K. A value is not given. K value is not given. B value, C value, D value given. Is it possible? Why? In previous case, it is possible. In present case, it is not possible to find. K value you can find. K value you can find. Why? In a equation, one variable means we can find out. Two variable means we can't find out. Same logic. DMC we don't know, purchase we don't know. Are you joking? How can we conclude? Literally. See, for example, direct material consumed 2 lakh. In that scenario, I can find out. Why? This 10,000, this 20,000 I will transfer. Hello. Now tell me, direct material consumed given in the question paper? No. Purchases information given in the question paper? No. Is it possible to continue the solution? Not possible. Leave it. We will go for working out 2. We can't continue means please leave that working note. After certain time we will come to working note 1. Not getting my point? Clear? So we will focus on what ma? Come on. We will focus on what? Working note number 2. What is the first line of cost sheet? Is it possible to continue working note? No. What is the second line item of cost sheet? So, direct labor given in the question paper, not given in the question paper. Given or not given? Is there any working note involved? No. How much? Direct labor is equal to 20,000. We write given in the question paper. Correct? Direct expense is not given. Now tell what is the prime cost? Don't tell 20,000. Why? Material consumed is there na. So can you find out prime cost? Answer is no. Next, prime cost cannot be find or cannot calculate. Why? Because direct material consumed we don't know. Clear? What is meant by next line? POH or production overhead or manufacturing overhead. Correct? Please check. Is given in the any question paper? Yes. Listen. Calculation of POH. Question paper told that 125% of POH indicates 20,000. 125% of POH indicates what? 20,000. What about 100%? Please check. 100 divided by 125 into 20,000. 16. What is meant by 16,000? POH. We will submit here 16,000. Working note number 2 we gave. Correct? Come on, my dear friend. Can you find out factory cost gross? No. Why? Prime cost you don't know. Why prime cost you don't know? Direct material consumption calculation is still pending. Correct? Okay. Please check opening WIP given or not given. Given or not given? How much? 8,000, 4,000. Correct? Can you tell factory cost net? No. Why? Factory cost gross information is not available. Okay. AOH. Please check. AOH is there. Yes. How much? 10,000. Can you find out COGP for me? Not possible. Okay. Opening stock of finished good is there. Please check. Is there? 10,000. Closing stock of finished good is there? 5,000. COGS we can find out? No. SOH is there? Please check. Is there? How much? 15. Can you tell cost of sales? Hello? No. Sales is there? Please check. 1 lakh. Listen carefully. Working note number 3. Sales how much? 1,25,000. Profit is equal to how much they gave? 25% on. Clear? We told conversion principle. See, information what? Percentage on what? Matched or not matched? Matched. Then we need to convert na. How to convert? What is the formula? Percentage divided by 100 plus percentage into 100. That is equal to 25 divided by 125 into 100. 20% on what? Sales. Now tell me, therefore, profit is equal to 1,25,000 into 20%. What is this? 25,000. So we will submit here. Working note number 3. Profit is equal to. Listen carefully. Listen. If you coming like this, cost of sales plus profit is equal to 1,25,000. If you are going in reverse, plus can become. It means, what is the value? 1 lakh. What is this value? 80? How you are having reverse manner? Please take the calculator. 85,000 plus 5,000 minus 10,000. Not getting 80,000 minus 10,000. 70,000. 70,000 plus 4,000 minus 8,000. 60 minus 16,000. What? 50,000. 30,000 is called balancing figure direct material. Direct material means direct material. Oh, we got 30,000 answer. Now it's a time to calculate purchases. Hence, therefore, purchases is equal to, we can say 30,000. Come on. Minus 10,000 plus 20,000. How much? This is the answer. Hello, good morning. Clear? You want to copy? Or your answer is match? Match? No need to give time. Anybody want to write? One. Please make the copy. Please write, ma. Okay, ma, listen ma. Question number 6, page number 14. Please open in your workbook. Question number 6, page number 14. ఎన్ని బుక్స్ ఉన్నాయమ్మా అక్కడ మీ సెకండ్ బెంచ్లో? 4 ఉన్నాయా? ఒకటి ఇచ్చి పంపినానా? తీసుకుంటున్నాను. ఓకే, క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 6, పేజ్ నెంబర్ 14. ద ఫాలోయింగ్ డేటా ఆర్ అవైలబుల్ ఫ్రమ్ ద బుక్స్ అండ్ రికార్డ్స్ ఆఫ్ క్యూ లిమిటెడ్ ఫర్ ద మంత్ ఆఫ్ ఏప్రిల్ 2020. డైరెక్ట్ లేబర్ హౌ మచ్ మా? 1,20,000. How 1,20,000 they arrived? 120% of factory overhead. Cost of sales, how much they gave? For sales they gave. Cost of sales alternative name? Total cost. Sales how much? Total cost how much? Balancing 1 lakh will be referred as obviously profit. Clear. Next ma. Accounts show the following figures. 1st April 2020, 30th April 2020. Inventory. Opening stock of raw material, how much? Closing stock of raw material. Opening stock of WAP, 20. Closing stock of WAP, 13. Opening stock of finished good, 50,000. Closing stock of finished good. Other details. Selling expense, 22. General administration expense. You are required to prepare cost sheet for the month of April 2020 by showing what they required. They want prime cost, works cost, cost of goods produced. Cost of production or cost of goods produced, one and the same. Cost of goods sold, cost of sales, profit earned. Indirectly asking all the cost sheet required. All the cost sheet required. Can you solve? Please respond ma. Excellent. So question number ma 6, page number ma 14. Correct? What is the format ma? Direct material, direct labor, direct expense. Correct? Result shall be referred as what ma? Prime cost plus PFMWOH. Result shall be referred as factory cost gross plus opening stock of WAP minus closing stock of WAP. Result shall be referred as factory cost net plus AOH. Result shall be referred as cost of goods produced plus opening stock of finished good minus closing stock of finished good. Result shall be referred as cost of goods sold plus SOH. Result shall be referred as cost of sales over total cost. Correct? Plus profit. If you get loss, we will disclose as a minus item. Result shall be referred as sales. Whatever information given in the question paper, we will submit. Whatever not given in the question paper, anything required to calculate, we will go through the working note and getting final answer and we will submit. Okay. What is the first one? Direct labor directly given in the question paper. How much? 1,20,000. We can name it as given. Hello. Correct or wrong ma? Correct or wrong? Correct. Next ma. 120% of factory cost. It means we will go for working note 1. What ma? Calculation of POH. 120% represent 1,20,000. Correct? For 100%, how much? 1 lakh 1,000. 1 lakh 1,000. 1 lakh. So POH will be referred as 1 lakh. Listen carefully, ma. Working note number 1. Next information. Cost of sales they gave. How much, ma? 4 lakh. Sales they gave. How much, ma? 5. Then profit is equal to, profit we can say as balancing figure. Correcta? Correcta? Next, what information they gave? No, we consider here, this also considered, this also considered. Opening stock of raw material, closing stock of raw material. This information is useful for calculation of DMC. Correct? Next, opening stock of WAP, closing stock of WAP. So how much opening stock of WAP? 20,000. Closing stock of WAP? 30,000. Next, ma. Opening stock of finished good is given. How much? 50,000. Closing stock of finished good is given 60. Correct. Next, ma. Selling expense is given. How much? 22,000. Admin expense is given. How much? 18. Go by reverse order. 4 lakh minus 22,000. Come on. 3 lakh 70. 3 lakh 78,000 plus 60 minus 50. 3 lakh minus 18,000. 3 lakh plus 30 minus 20. 3 lakh. Then minus 1 lakh. So direct expense 0. What about direct material? 2 lakh 80 minus 1 lakh 20. 1 lakh. How you got balancing figure? Then we will move for working note number 2. Calculation of direct material. First line. Direct material means direct material consumed. Direct material consumed is equal to opening stock of raw material plus purchases net plus direct expense in relation to minus salvage value of normal loss minus closing stock of raw material. How much direct material consumption? 1,60,000. We calculated, na? We don't know. We calculated in reverse manner. 1,60,000. That is equal to opening stock of raw material. How much? 20,000. Purchases how much? We don't know. Minus plus direct expense 0, salvage value 0. Closing stock is there or not there? How much? 20? Please calculate. Therefore, purchases is equal to, we can write 1,60,000 plus 25,000 minus 20,000. 1 lakh. Then what is this value? This is direct material consumed. 1,65,000 is called direct material purchases. Purchase is different from consumption. Hello, good morning. Please write the solution. Make it note, ma. Completed? Excellent. Next ma. Question number 1, page number 7. Question number 1, page number 7. తీసారమ్మా తీసారా X Limited provide the following information for the year 2021-22. Direct material how much ma? 3,20,000. Direct wages how much? 8 lakh. Production overhead 4,80,000. Out of 4,80,000, 25% variable. Remaining portion fixed. And next ma, administrative overhead 1,60,000. 75% fixed. Remaining 25% variable. Selling and distribution expense 2,40,000. 2/3 portion fixed. 1/3 portion sales. We are selling 125 rupees per unit. We achieve 25 lakh as a sale. Correct? Please take the calculator. 25 lakh you achieved a sales. Divide by 125 rupees per unit. How many units you sold? It means 20,000 units sold at the rate of 125. You achieved 25 lakh. Correct? Hello. Listen. This data for which year? Underline the word 21-22. In next paragraph they given for the year 22. Come on. 22-23. It is estimated. Now tell me, as per the question paper, we are in which year? 21-22. In the view of 21-22, 22-23 is called projected, future, estimated. Correct? What is the estimation? First one, output and sales quantity will increase. Increase or decrease? By how much? 20? Please take the calculator. Last year how much quantity produced and sold? 20,000 plus 20%. 24,000 units we are going to be manufactured and sell. So sold units is equal to 20,000 units plus 20%. That is equal to 24,000. Hello, good morning. Correct? Next ma. Incurring additional advertisement expense. How much ma? Incurring additional advertisement expense. How much? 45,000. Next ma. Metal price will goes up. 10% increase or decreasing? Wage rate will goes up 5% along with the increase overall direct labor efficiency by 12%. Variable overhead will increase 5%. Fixed overhead will increase 33.3333%. Is nothing but 33 1 by 3. That is not 331 divided by 3. It is a 33 1 divided by 3 is nothing but 33.3333%. What they are asking? You are required to calculate what ma? Cost of sales means total cost. For which year? 21-22. Indirect meaning normal cost sheet I want, projected cost sheet I want. I don't want up to sales, up to total cost enough. Why? Question paper is asking up to total cost only. Clear? Next, question number B. Find out new selling price for which year? Why 21-22 is not asked? They are directly given. Selling price they are directly given. But 22, 23 they are not given. That is the reason they are asking to calculate what? New selling price for 22 in case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4. In case number 1, what is the selling price? In case number 2, what is the selling price? In case number 3, what is the selling price? In case number 4, what is the selling price? Case number 1, please we will read. If the same amount of profit, what ma? Same amount of profit earned in, it means whatever last year profit we earned, this year also we are expected. Otherwise, whatever current year profit is earned, that profit is expected to earn in next year. Anything one another same. Clear? Clear? What is the question number 2 they are asking? If the same percentage of profit to the sales earned in 21, 22. What is the first question and second question difference? First one, amount of profit. Second question, amount of profit percentage. Profit percentage they gave. Next ma. If the existing percentage of profit to the sales is increased to 20, and next, if the profit per unit 10 rupees earned. These are the requirements of the question. Can you solve or not required? Hello, good morning. Can you solve? Otherwise, you will solve. You will solve. You want to solve in the classroom, or you can solve in the hostel or house, as a case may be. In the classroom. So, what is the question number, ma? Question number, page number 7. Page number 6. Okay. Listen, ma. Which year information is there? 21, 22 is called current year. 22, 23 is called projected year, or estimated year, or future year. We can say any 3 names. Correct? Now tell me, what is the first line? Direct material. Please check 21, 22. What is the direct material? 3 lakh. Before moving into the discussion, listen. Sales how much given? 21, 22. 20. We don't know. We don't know means not given. Correct? Selling price per unit how much? 120. Not given. Correct? Sales quantity, or sold units, we can say. How much? This is a point number 1, this is a point number 3. 1 divided by 2. How much? 20,000 units. But in question paper told, how much they will increase? 20% as compared to last year. Then how much? Sold quantity 24,000. You are not getting? Very simple. 25 lakh is given. 125 rupees per unit. How many units they are sold? 20,000. 20 in 2022 to 23 as compared to 21 to 21, 21 to 22. Otherwise we can make as compared to previous year. This is a future year, this is current year. As compared to current year, in future year, what is the sales quantity? Whatever sales quantity is there, plus 20% they gave. That is the reason 20,000 plus 20%. Correct? Correct? Correct or wrong? Now tell me, what is the first line? Direct material. Now take the question. Direct material given in the question. How much? 3 lakh 20,000. Correct? What is the direct material for next year? They gave Don't tell like that. Please see the question. Why are you giving Oscar expression? No, like that. Point number 2, they gave direct material prices will goes up 10. Correct or wrong? Please take the calculator. Please take the calculator. 3,20,000 plus how much? 10%. 3,15,000. But compared to last year output, this year output is increased 20% na? Plus 20%. How much? 420 to 400 we got. But still doubt. How we got? Very simple. See sir. Listen. 21, 22, 22, 23. This year to this year, manufacturing, how much? Manufacturing, 125% year, 100% year. Sorry, not 120. Compared to last year, manufacturing sold is increased 20%. Here 100 means 20% extra. 120, correct? Last year material how much? 3,20,000. For how many percent? 100%. But we are in 22, 23. How much? 120. For 100%, 3,20,000. For 120, how much? Please take the calculator. 120 divided by 100 into 3,20,000. 3 lakh. Actually, listen, actually material cost should be 3,84,000. Subject condition, last year ORR 21-22 material cost, 22-23 material cost is equal means 3,84,000. But question paper told, compared to this year, raw material cost is increased by 10%. That is the reason 3,84,000 plus 10%. That is the reason I gave 420 to 400. You understood? Otherwise I have to repeat. Understood? If you are not getting means I will give working note. If you are okay means I will go for next level. Understood? Next, direct labor. Please check direct labor is there. Yes, how much? 8. Please check direct labor information is given in the question paper. Yes. 5%. 5% increase. But you should remember 20% also increase. Whenever material is increasing, labor cost will increase. Production will be increased. Labor work is increased or decreased? Increase. That is the reason. Please take the calculator. 8 lakh plus 20% plus 5%. Just wait. Otherwise, we will go for working note. Working note number 1. Listen, ma. Calculation of direct labor for 22-23. Correct? Correct? Now tell me, what is the direct labor actually? 8 lakh. 8 lakh. Plus how much? Question paper told plus 20% increases. Correct. Plus 5% increases. 20% increases in output. 5% increase in wage rate. Now tell me how much? 10 lakh 8. Listen. Most important problem, most complicated problem. Listen, ma. Very simple, ma. Last 21-22 year, labor is equal to 8 lakh. What is the output of last year? 20,000. This year, 24,000. If units is increased, labor hours increased. Labor hours increased means labor payment increased. That is the reason 20%. This 20% increased because of output is increased. Hello. Compared to last year, this year, labor rate is increased or decreased? How much? Labor rate is increased 5%. Compared to last year, this year, efficiency increased or decreased? Efficiency increased or decreased? Please check the question. Increased. It means, listen, 112% efficiency, our cost will be 10,08,000. For 100% efficiency, how much? 100 divided by 112 into 10,08,000. How much? 9. Okay. So many faces are surprising. How you calculated? Are you observing answer and giving explanation like that? No. Listen, ma. I will tell example. Simple 21, 22. 21, 22. 22, 23. For convenience purpose, 21 present year, 22 previous, next year. Two words we can't give at a time. 21, just assume current year. 22, next year. Is it okay? Otherwise, current year, next year, okay? Okay, na? Now tell me, my dear, current year, what is the labor? Correct? For how many units? 20,000 units. Now we are in next year. How many units we are going to be sold and manufactured? For 20,000, 8 lakh. Listen, for 20,000 units, how much labor incurred? 8 lakh. In next year, 20,000 units, 18,000 units, 12,000 units, 24,000 units we are going to be manufactured. Then how much? 24,000 divided by 20,000 into 8 lakh. 9 lakh? Actually, 9 lakh 60 is a labor. Actually, when only output is changed. But question paper told, labor rate also increased compared to last year. Compared to last year, labor rate is increased. How much? 5%. How much, ma? It means 10,08,000 is a labor actually. Based on two adjustments. Number one, output adjustment. Number two, labor rate adjustment. Ma, if you are not observing calculation and oral explanation, you will get difficulty while solving the problem or while going for your preparation. It's your headache. After completion of syllabus, complete headache transfer to student. Complete responsibility transfer to student. Please observe the oral explanation. Very simple. Last year, this year, output is increased. That is the reason labor rate increased. Compared to last year, this year, labor rate increased by 5%. That is the reason 10,08,000. Clear? Clear? If we discussing labor chapter, we will give the knowledge of how to calculate efficiency. Efficiency can be calculated in two ways, based on output, based on hours. If you go for labor chapter, then you will realize efficiency can be calculated in two ways. Listen carefully. We don't know labor chapter. We don't know labor chapter. That is the reason I will give layman example. Clear? Clear? Listen, ma. One chef is there. Chef, cooking person. One chef is there. He's a fresher. He doesn't have knowledge. He doesn't have experience in cooking. He making 10 chapatis in 1 hour. 10 chapatis 1 hour. He took. Clear? After 4 years, experience is getting. In 1 hour, 10 chapatis can make or more than 10? More than? Just assume, just assume. For 10 chapatis, they took how many hours? 1 hour. For 1 hour, we giving 1,000 rupees for the chef. If he work for 1 hour, how much hotel is given? 1,000. After 4 years, ma, please concentrate. Don't deviate, ma. Listen. See, 1 hour, how much payment will be given? 1000. After 4 years, just assume labor getting 1 hour, 1000 only, no increment. Don't think in the view of increment, my dear. Just think without increment they are working. Correct? For 1 hour, how much they getting? 1000. Previously, now 1000. Previously, in 1 hour, 10 chapatis they are making. Correct? In current, after experience, he can make 25 chapatis. Correct? Earlier, how much they giving? Just wait, ma. Correct time ki tab kuda sata istadi. 1000 rupees we are given. How many chapatis we are producing? 10 chapatis. We are concentrate on 1 hour discussion. Correct? After experience, how much getting? 1000. How many chapatis? 25. Correct? How much per unit of chapati labor cost? 100. Here 40 rupees. 40. 40. It means, see, experience 0, experience 4. Experience is increased. Experience means efficiency is increased. Labor cost will increase or decrease? Decrease. Why? We are paying earlier per chapati cost 100 as a labor. Now 40 rupees per labor cost per chapati. If efficiency is increasing, labor cost will decrease. We are thinking in per unit wise. Correct? Correct or wrong, ma? Correct or wrong? And now listen ma, listen. Here 10,08,000. When? Efficiency is 112%. Efficiency 12% increase. Last year efficiency 100. This year efficiency? Correct? See, this 8 lakh, which year? Last year or current year? This 20% adjustment for future year. This adjustment for. So this 10,08,000 represent future year. So future year efficiency when? How much? 10,08,000 for 100%. How much? 9 lakh. Actually, if efficiency is not increased, we are going to ready to pay 10,08,000. God grace, efficiency is increased, labor is decreased. You got my point? Same like our hotel example. Labor cost per chapati 100, but experience is coming 40 rupees. Efficiency is increasing, labor cost will decrease. You got my point? Got it? That is the reason. How much labor cost? 9 lakh. Ma, if you understood, okay. If you are not understood, please tell me. I will give one more example. Why? Because it is your career. If you are not understood, even though not understood, okay sir, I understood. Like that, you are giving response to my question. Your career only under risk, not my career. Your career will going to the risk. Very simple. Last year labor we are taken. Last year to current year, how much output is increased? 20%. Last year to current year, how much labor is increased? 5%. This value is representing for how much? 112% efficiency. We want 100% efficiency. Then labor cost is equal to 9 lakh. Good morning. Correct? So now tell me, what is the labor cost? 9 lakhs. How you arrive? Working note number 1. Correct? Next, direct expense. Please check. Not given. Prime cost. What is the prime cost, my dear friend? Please take the calculator. How much, ma? 11 lakh 20,000. Here 13 lakh 22,000. If you remember the cost sheet, what is the first line? DM. What is the next line? DL. Next line D, aggregate plus POH. Please go for the question. What is the POH? Generally POH is equal to 4,80,000. Listen ma. Listen. We will go for working note and then you will easily understood. Working note number 2. What is the POH given in the question paper? 4,80,000. Correct? 21. Sorry. This is for 21-22 na. 4,80,000 for 21-22 na. Question paper told POH variable portion how much? 25%. Fixed portion how much? 70. Now tell me what is the variable portion? 4,80,000 into 25%. 1 lakh. What is the fixed portion? 3 lakh. Listen ma. Listen. 22-23 you want na? You want 22-23 also na? Variable POH. What is the last year POH? 1,20,000. From last year to this year, output is increased. 20% increased or decreased? Increase. Please check the question paper point number 4. Please check the question paper point number 4. Variable overhead increase or decrease? That is the reason plus 5%. 1,51,000 fixed POH. Last year fixed POH 3,60,000. This see fixed overhead, fixed cost can change year to year. What is the meaning of fixed cost? Cost which is correct. Last year fixed cost 3,60,000. This year fixed cost obviously 3,60,000. But question paper gave point number 5. Please check. Fixed production overhead, how much they increase? It means 33.33333%. Please check. 40? 48. 4,80,000. Correct? What is the POH? What is the POH? 4,80,000 plus 151, 200. 6 lakh. 2. Here. 4 lakh. Now POH is equal to 4,80,000. We will write. Correct? Hello. Next. 6. 30. 137. Please check. Please check ma. 631, 200, 637. So 631, 200. What you will get? Factory cost gross. Please check. 16 lakhs. Here 53,000. Come on, my dear. Plus opening WAP. Is there? Please check the question paper. Not there. Minus closing WAP. There. Result shall be referred as factory cost net. How much? 16 lakhs. Here 19,53,600. Next, what is the format? Please tell the format. DM, DL, DE, prime cost plus POH is equal to factory cost gross plus opening WAP minus closing WAP factory cost net plus AOH. Working note how much ma? Here working note 2 we already allotted. Working note 3. We will go for working note number. Come on. Calculation of AOH. Please check the question paper. AOH is given 1,20,000. Correct? Listen. 21, 22 now we are calculating. AOH is equal to, down to air marks. Total AOH how much? 1,60,000. Variable 25%. Fixed 75%. Now tell me. 40,000. Come on. 1 lakh? Correct? Correct, my dear. Excellent. So, just wait, ma. So, Vinma, variable cost how much, ma? 40,000. Fixed cost how much, ma? 1 lakh. We are focusing on 22, 23. Variable AOH. What is the variable AOH last year? 40,000 plus last year to current year 20% plus 5%. How much, ma? 50,000 fixed AOH. Last year how much? 1,20,000. Current year. Fixed cost means always fixed, na? That is the reason 1,20,000. See, last time 3,60,000 plus 33.333. Why we are considering means the question paper told fixed production overhead, not fixed admin expense, not fixed SOH. They told production overhead fixed. Clear? Please respond, ma. Now tell me how much? 1,20,000 plus 170,400. We will write here 170,400. Here AOH 1,60,000, na? Hello. Please make it 21 lakh. 21 lakh. 24. What about this? 17 lakh. What is the result name? Cost of goods produced. Correct? Plus opening stock of finished good minus closing stock of finished good is given a? No. Cost of how much? 17 lakh 60,000. 21 lakh 24,000. Correct? Plus SOH. Please check it. SOH. Yeah, this is also required working note. Working note number how much, ma? 4. Calculation of SOH. 21, 22, na? SOH is equal to how much? 2,40,000. In this one, variable fixed. What is the variable? 1/3. Fixed 2/3. Please take the calculator. 20. Variable how much? 80,000. Fixed 1,60,000. Next, ma. 20 to 23. Variable SOH. How much? 80,000, na? Plus 20% increase, na? Plus 5% increase, na? They told, na, variable overhead increased by 5%. 1,08,000 fixed SOH. Last year how much? Current year also 1,60,000. Correct? Total how much? 2,60,800. So we will write here 2,60,800. Here 2,40,000. How you got? Working note number? How much? 4. How much, ma? 20 lakhs. 23 lakh. 84,000. What is the result name? Cost of sales overall total cost. Correct, my dear friend? Correct or wrong? Correct? This is question number A only. They're asking, see, what is they're asking? They're asking for question number 1, calculate cost of sales, 21, 22, 22, 23. Up to now we did. In question number B, 4 cases separately we have to solve. In each situation, what is the selling price? Hello, good morning. So before moving into the question number B, please make it note. Ma completed? Working note 3 completed? Can I scroll? Can I scroll? Calculation of SOH is there. Completed, ma? Ma completed? Completed. So, remaining part of the question, still question number B is there. In 4 situations you have to solve. We will solve in the next class. Clear? Thank you so much, ma.